told you about the woman whose own rape kit was used to charge her with a crime years later in an unrelated case. That case raised concerns nationwide about collecting DNA evidence and forced changes to state law. Now she's speaking to CBS News' Janet Shamlian.
At the time, did you have any concerns about submitting a rape kit?
No. No.
No privacy concerns about sharing your DNA?
No.
This woman, who asked not to be identified, gave her DNA to San Francisco police after being raped in 2016 in hopes of convicting the suspect. Police, by their own admission, added it to their criminal database, then used to arrest and charge her with theft last year.
I was in jail for 14 days.
If you had known your DNA was going to go into a general database, would you have been more hesitant about submitting it as part of a sexual assault?
Yes, absolutely.
Would you have submitted it?
No, I would not.
The charges dropped after the DA learned how the evidence was obtained. Now attorney Adante Pointer filing a federal civil rights lawsuit on her behalf against the city and county of San Francisco and some employees, claiming use of her DNA was unlawful search and seizure.
What you have going on here is turning the justice system and our legal principles on their head by gaining someone's consent to the most personal thing they have in their most vulnerable moment, and then storing and cataloging that and weaponizing it against them for some unrelated purpose.
It's illegal for crime victims' DNA to be used in federal databases, but there's no such law in many states to stop officials from storing and using it for other purposes. Jen King is a technology and privacy expert at Stanford University.
Is this case an indication that we're losing possession of our private DNA?
Yes, it absolutely raises some deep concerns. Here's a point where someone was at their most vulnerable, gave up their DNA for a criminal investigation, for justice, and then had it exploited by the SFPD.
San Francisco's crime lab stopped the practice after the incident, admitting it had also been storing the DNA of violent crime victims and victimized children.
I'm not an animal. I don't want no specimen of me collected in any way. I'm not no one's pet. I'm my own person. I belong to one person only, and that's God.
The department says it can't comment on pending litigation, though the chief earlier this year said, "We own this error." The city of San Francisco told CBS News it's committed to ensuring all victims of crime feel comfortable reporting issues to law enforcement and has taken steps to safeguard victim information. It didn't say what those steps are.
Is there an expectation of privacy when you submit your DNA to the police after an assault?
The police, when they come and get the DNA and the permission from you, they don't tell you, hey, by the way, you give me this and I can use it for whatever reason I want. Good, bad, or other. I can sell it. I can let other people access it. When a woman or a person is in that point of vulnerability and the police say, hey, this is the key we need in order to help us to help you, that person in that moment isn't thinking to myself, I've given away my rights for a lifetime.
Experts say the incident could have a chilling effect on rape victims' willingness to come forward.
What do you want to see happen?
I want to see justice. I want to see women being protected. I want to see respect for humanity, for individuals. I want respect for myself.
Janet Shamlian, CBS News.
And just this month, Governor Gavin Newsom signed a law that bans the use of DNA collected from sexual assault victims for anything other than identifying a rape suspect.